Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy chakli recipe which can be enjoyed by the whole family. Kids will love this super crispy healthy chakli as a snack this festive season. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using khapli wheat flour in this recipe. However, you can use ordinary wheat flour. Into a cotton napkin, I'm adding in 2 cups of khapli wheat flour. The reason why I use khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat in my recipes, is that it has a very low gluten molecule and hence helps in easy digestion. Khapli wheat is an ancient variety of wheat which has very less gluten when compared to modern processed wheat. It is also high in fiber and has the capacity to lower blood glucose and lipid levels. Now into this I'm adding in half cup roasted rice flour and then gather the ends of the napkin and twist the end and keep the bundle onto the steamer. Cover the steamer and cook on medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Now this step is important. Remember that khapli wheat has less gluten and rice flour does not have any gluten. So steaming is a must in this recipe. Once it has cooled down, remove it from the napkin and break it into small pieces and then crumble it and transfer it to a sieve. And then sieve it into another bowl. Heat a small kadai with 1 tablespoon desi ghee, and once the ghee is heated, add in half cup besan flour, also known as chickpea flour. Lightly roast on low flame and once roasted, transfer to the whole wheat and rice mix. Into this, add in half teaspoon black jeera, also known as kalonji, half teaspoon cumin seeds, also known as jeera, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam. Now give this all a mix and make a well in the center. Add in 1 1/4 cups of water little by little. Mix well and knead it into a soft dough. Rest the dough for about 5 minutes. Now to make the murukku, I am using a steel mold. I am using the star-shaped plate to give it the spiral shape of the chakli. Grease the inside of the mold and the plate with wood-pressed coconut oil. Place the plate inside the mold. Now heat a cast iron kadai with wood-pressed coconut oil. Instead of coconut oil, you can use any unrefined oil locally sourced. Take a handful of the dough and roll it into a cylindrical shape and place it inside the mold. And to make spirals, I am using the flat ladle with holes. Press the mold to make spirals on the ladle and gently immerse this into the hot oil. Now you need to make sure that the oil is hot enough by dropping a small portion of the dough to the hot oil. The dough should rise up without browning quickly. Quickly make a couple of spirals on the ladle and add into the oil. Fry the chakli until golden brown and crisp on medium flame. Remember, I am using a cast iron kadai which retains more heat. Once all the chaklis are fried, allow it to cool down and then transfer it to an airtight glass container. It will keep good for up to a month. Enjoy this wholesome crispy chakli this Diwali and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.